Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Aviation 2K2 here. Today I'm gonna review you guys a new model. This is the Qatar Airways cargo Boeing 747-8F fighter. Fighter, not fighter. I don't know, this kind of sound the same to me. I did not buy this aircraft. I traded with my friend John 1. I'll put his channel right here. I trade this aircraft with a Boeing 747 cargo, Korean Air, and it was a dumb decision for me. I don't know why I trade the perfect aircraft for this freighter. Now I'm reflecting myself as an idiot, but decision was made, so let's crack this open. My voice is kinda hurt right now. I'm sorry. This is the Boeing 747-8F made by Gemini Jet in a 1:400 scale. Yeah. If you watch my previous Boeing 747 in the Korean Air, you will know the chassis wings landing gear has a small suspension right here, but Gemini Jet didn't have it, and I hate it. I want my aircraft as realistic as possible, and chassis wings almost made it, but Gemini Jet did not. I'm gonna hate it a lot. I don't know if this video will be my anger, but yeah, let's carry on. It has a Qatar words printed below the fuselage, and it's had a Qatar, and I don't know what word this is, but yeah, if anyone knows, please comment, because I don't know what is it. Is it a threat to society? I don't know. Yeah, when I brought home, I noted that I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll put it in the light. Yeah, the paint had ripped off just above the Qatar, and the guy, this guy had a broken paint right here. Immediately reduced the quality of the aircraft. I think when I buy the Gemini Jet hangar, I will put this aircraft inside and do nothing. I have to say, this is a huge model. It is quite large, and I will compare it to the C5 Galaxy, but I won't, because my space is kind of tight right now. Yeah, I just done my homework. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Red Bull over there, and I haven't slept for 6 days, so I'm kinda tired. After I done shooting the Boeing 767 British Airways, I immediately go outside, but went outside and bought a lot of energy drink, and I just drank it down. Now I need to cool off with my cold water. So I'm kind of drunk right now. My test hours arrived, so I need to study. Yeah, this is the Boeing 747-8F in the Qatar cargo livery. Qatar, I think it joined the One World group, and it had a small flag just at the far back of the fuselage, and let me, what is called in English, Mozilla. Let me Google translate it a little bit. Hang in there, my friend. 5 minutes, I still have time. Lên you antelope. The purple antelope printed just in the both side of the aircraft rudder. Antelope, new word for me today. Antelope. Okay. So yeah, this is it for today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to turn on the notification, and you will receive more of the aircraft model review just like this in the future. Yeah, goodbye, comrade.